Tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.
There's that horrible old woman!
Point. And she's not in the least horrible.
She's just a bundle of rags.
When will you learn to look past what you see? Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way to the people she calls.
Come, buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little ones, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is a tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.
Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies.
What are you doing? I'm going to give him my sixpence.
Here, one bag, please. Oops. Save your sixpence, Michael. All around the cathedral, saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see them, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares.
Simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you.
Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.
You don't sigh. Well, you can tell her yourself. Here she comes now.
Isn't that Miss Lark's dog? Will it be?
Don't